My name's Michael, and for the last 18 months I've been building this model of Bradford Cathedral, and on Saturday the 13th of September at 3 p.m. you can come and see it for real. It's made out of card and paper. Every wall, every roof, every window was cut and built by hand. No lasers, no 3D printers, just me and my scalpel. This is the biggest model I've ever made. It's 70 centimeters long and 27 high. But because it's N scale, it's also very, very small. On the 13th of September at 3 p.m, I will be revealing the in-progress model inside the real Bradford Cathedral for the very first time. And straight after, there'll be a Q&A session. I'll be answering your questions about how I built it. And Maggie Myers, the Cathedral's Director of Education and Visitors, who you'll know from my videos, will be there too to answer questions about the cathedral itself. If you come earlier, you can enjoy the Cathedral's Heritage Open Day, a celebration of women's creativity with tours, exhibitions, stained glass and textiles to explore. So come for the celebration, stay for the reveal and bring your questions. Bradford Cathedral, Saturday the 13th of September at 3 p.m. I'd love to see you there.